everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day of my 5-day makeup series, and today's look is all about a beautiful combination of smoky blue and green on the eyes with nudie pink lips. And yeah, if you guys want to know how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start this look by hydrating my skin properly, and I'm using this oil primer by PAC. And just tapping my skin so that it settles in my skin very nicely and gives a very smooth base to my skin before I put on some foundation. And for that I'm using the one by Milani and blending it all over my face and my neck. So with this foundation I've noticed that you don't have to use a lot of it in quantity, just like tiny bits of this foundation and you are good to go. The coverage is pretty amazing. And for concealer, I'm using one of my favorites, the Maybelline Fit Me, and applying it underneath my eyes, the sides of my nose, mouth, here and there, the areas wherever I always apply concealer. Also on my eyelids. And to blend the concealer on my face, I'm using the same foundation brush, and for the under eye area, I'm using the smaller concealer brush. Now to set everything in place, the powder I'm using is by L'Oreal, and using a beauty blender to set everything on my face. So firstly what I'm going to do is I'm taking this beauty blender and just setting everything, like applying face powder all over my face, and then to dust off the excess powder from my face I'm using this big fluffy powder brush so that the face does not look cakey. Now to fill up my eyebrows I'm using this brown eyebrow pencil, it's by Faces, and just I'm filling in the sparse areas like I do always, and set the eyebrow hair with the spoolie. Now for the eye makeup I am using this gel liner by Maybelline and applying this one as close to my upper lash line. And I'm using a smudge brush to do so. After that I'm going to take a dark blue color and apply it on wherever I applied my gel liner first. So the reason I applied the gel liner is because it's going to hold the blue matte eyeshadow, and also it's going to make the blue matte eyeshadow appear even more stronger and smokier. I'm just blending this blue eyeshadow so that it appears very smooth on the eyes and not harsh. Now next I am going to use this brown matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this on the outer half of my lid area, for example on my outer V and also a little bit on my crease area. And then I'm going to apply the blue matte eyeshadow once again to cover up my lid. After that I felt like cleaning up beneath my eyebrows, so I'm just doing that, applying some concealer and using this brush for giving a very clean look to my eyebrows. After that I'm going to take this very glittery blue eyeshadow, and it has a nice amount of sheen in it, and I'm going to apply it wherever I applied the blue matte eyeshadow. After that I'm going to put on some lashes, and these are Hamida by Henna Beauty, and for my lower lash line I'm taking this very pretty teal color and applying it on my waterline. And then to smoke out my lower lash line I'm using this teal color again from my Another Makeup Revolution palette, so that everything looks very smoked out and beautiful. To contour my face I'm mixing these two shades from my NYX contour palette and applying it on my face, the regular areas wherever I put on contour, and also contouring my nose. Now for blush, I am mixing these two shades from my Nykaa blush palette and applying it on my cheeks. And to clean up beneath my cheeks, I'm applying some loose powder and letting it stay on my skin for like good 2-3 minutes. And moving on to highlighter, I'm using this one by Maybelline Fit Me. No, not the Fit Me I guess, but yeah, it's by Maybelline, and applying it on the high points of my face. And after that I'm just going to clean up the excess loose powder. For lipstick, so firstly I'm going to use a very nice pinky lipstick, but then I felt on adding some nudie touch to my lips, so I went ahead with this nude lipstick by NYX, and smudging and mixing this lipstick with the help of my fingers. And now for my lower lash line I am applying some mascara, and I'm also going to add a green bindi matching with my lower lash line because I really like to add on some fun to my makeup looks. So here is my final look, as you guys can see, and I hope this series was fun to watch. I actually wanted to make every makeup look pretty different from each one of them, and I hope I succeeded in that and you guys learned something new from this series. So do let me know how did you guys like this look, and please like this video and share my videos with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super soon with an amazing set of videos, and I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.